Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play Kioo. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is the key of E, and the progression is 6, 5, 3, 4. The 6 is a C sharp minor chord. The 5 is a B chord, B major chord. The 3 is a G sharp minor chord, and the 1, or rather the 4, is a major chord. So C minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger on the 4th fret, barring string 1 all the way to string 5. My middle finger is on string number 2 on the 5th fret. My ring finger string number 4 on the 6th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 6th fret. So that's C sharp minor chord. The chord that follows is a B major chord. So pointer finger is on string number 5 on the 2nd fret. My ring finger barring string 2, 3, and 4 on the 4th fret. And then you will play now G sharp minor chord. So G sharp minor chord, I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1, 2, and 3 on the 4th fret, and then my ring finger is on string number 4, but now on the 6th fret. So that minor chord. You can as well play the bar chord form, where you will bar with your pointer finger on fret number 4, barring string 1 to 6, and then your ring finger will be on string number 5 on the 6th fret, and your small finger will be on the 6th fret but string number 4. So that's an option. This is also a G minor chord, G sharp minor chord, but I prefer this chord over here. And then finally you go and play this A major chord. So A major, I'm using my pointer finger to bar string 1 and 2. My ring finger is on string number 3 on the 6th fret. My ring finger string number 5 on the 7th fret, and my small finger string number 4 on the 7th fret. And then my thumb, I am muting string 6. So all together, 6, 5, 3, 4. So you can either decide to pick or you can also just strum. So that's how you go and play this song. Let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.